Hi everyone and welcome to And So On. My name is Lisa and today I have a new Serger. Okay, so I have been debating getting a Serger pretty much ever since we got here. Now, I had a Serger at home that was a 30-year-old Janome that I found in a secondhand shop for 60 bucks. And that's the only Serger I've ever had. So I've never had a brand new Serger before. I've been looking for a while and I was just reticent to spend a lot of money on one because I've gotten this far without one. And it's been fine. And so I didn't really want to invest too much in it. And then I've heard a lot about the Lidl Sergers, and they only come out every once in a while. It's not something you can get all the time. It's a Singer Serger. And when I first saw it, I'll put in the story. I was like, $189 for a Singer. I mean, it just seemed like a no-brainer. And then I put everything in the cart, including some spools of thread. I think the shipping was €5, so it wasn't too much. But then that was over 200 bucks, and I was like, oh, I don't know. And so I didn't do it. And then 3 days later, this happened. Down to $149. I mean, I had to. So I picked it up for $149. It came 2 days later. And I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, so you can see here, oops. Okay, so you can see we've got the Singer S010L, and is there any English on this whatsoever? No. It's all in Spanish. Sewing made easy, it says. We've got the manual. The manual is in Spanish, of course, that makes sense. But number one, I speak Spanish, and number two, I can always download the English one online. Okay, so it weighs a ton, has a really nice solid feel. It doesn't feel plasticky or wimpy at all. I love the handle. Okay, so first let me give you a couple details on the stats of this. You can use this as a 2, 3, or 4 thread serger overlocker. It goes at 1,300 stitches per minute at top speed. The stitch length is between 1 and 4 millimeters, and the stitch seam width is between 2.3 and 7 millimeters. So I think that's a pretty good range from what I've read about sergers. Okay, so as you can see, it comes already thread and has this little piece here. So what I can do before I learn to thread it properly is I can just tie my thread to the threads at the back and just pull it through. So that's what I'm gonna do if you wanna watch me do that. It's got the feed differential, and let me see if I can pop this off because I think this is where the accessories are. Yeah. Okay, so in here we have, oh my God, I dropped it. Can you imagine if this cracked literally as I took it out of the box? It did not, thank goodness. Okay, in this little bag, see, where are my scissors? So in this little bag of accessories, we have this little thing. This is for the 2 thread option if you want to do the 2 thread serging. Plastic tweezers. I have metal ones, so plastic doesn't bother me. Little screwdriver and 2 needles. So, and there's already 2 needles in there, which means I don't have to replace anything to get going, which is awesome. We've got this thing here to keep everything nice and neat, and the little adapters for the cones. Okay, I'm going to now, oh, another thing is apparently the fact that this comes off allows you to do small things like cuffs and all that. Okay, can you tell I'm getting excited? Okay. I'm gonna open this box below because that has my threads, and then I'm gonna see how quick I can get this up and running. Okay, so first surge, so I tried the way with pulling it through, and things got a little tangled. So I had to end up re-threading the top two that go through the needles, but the bottom two loopers were great, so that's kind of good. And then I did this first set of serging here. It's a little loose at the top, so I need to adjust that. But other than that, nice, fun, flexible. Yeah, I mean, it seems like a good solid machine. Obviously, I need a couple weeks to really check it out and really work with it. But overall, I think for the price and for a Serger machine, I don't think you can really go wrong. So, yeah. That's all for me. I just wanted to show you the unboxing of my brand new Serger that I got from Lidl. Again, for 150 euros. I just went back on their site and it's back up to 190. If you look at it on Amazon UK, it's 212 pounds. So really, like, this I think was a really good deal, and I think it's a solid machine for the price. All right, guys, it is pouring rain here. I hope you can't hear that. So I hope that wherever you are, the sun is shining and you are sewing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.